I know it's a little early to be talking World Cup soccer, but it is going to be in full swing before you know it. And that is why we have a box of Prism World Cup soccer.
Oh, that's going to be fun. Now,
Featuring
Rob,
the best footballers in the world.
This product in 2014, the last time that they did it for the World Cup, dominated the entire hobby for that year. Have we heard the similar buzz about this one already, or is that something that just starts ramping up as we get closer and closer to the actual World Cup?
I think a little bit of both. I know the stickers that I saw at Walmart was as equally ravaged as the Bowman display.
Wow.
So, wow, there are a lot of
as
packs in
ravaged
here.
as Bowman.
So this is, let's see, we got 16 Prism parallels per box, 24 packs, 6 cards per pack. But we are not, it's interesting, and this is what's going to make the secondary market value of autos interesting, is that there are no guarantees. But because there are no guarantees, I need to open all 24 packs, but we're going to blitz through them.
Yeah. Well, and keep in mind also just the numbered parallels can command giant prices in the secondary market because of that same reason.
What kind of case hits are available in this product, Ivan?
So the case hits, there's, again, 16 inserts in every box, but that's split between prisms, inserts, and one autograph or short printed inserts. The national landmarks is the 1 per case average. It features unique illustrations from all 32 qualified nations. Come on, Panini, you couldn't have thrown the U.S. in there just for fun. This it's a custom set which showcases some of the most iconic aspects of each country in the field, including the players themselves.
All right, here, I want to point something out because this really bugs me like it bugs you too.
Okay.
Here's 2 prisms. Why isn't this one on the left numbered? I mean, it's obvious. It's screaming to be numbered.
Because then we would know that there's actually 10,000 of whatever that prism parallel is.
Oh, all right.
That's my guess as to why they wouldn't number it. Because I think it's exceptional. I think it's excellent. I love the base prism variations.
It's a silver or a hyper.
Well, I think that was
prism.
a question. That was a question from
I don't know.
producer in my ear,
I can't tell.
Some of the prism levels, they have a silver level, they have a hyper level.
Here's a numbered one of 149 of Javier Mascherano.
A red numbered to 149. So yeah, small pet peeve. Hopefully we make up for it by hitting one of your famous soccer jazzy booms. Last time we opened soccer, we hit a one-of-one autograph, not a printing plate. One-of-one autograph. See if we can keep up with that. And you hit a Messi in the past?
Yes. Scorers Club, Alexander Kokorin. It's an insert. We're getting an update that Albert Pujols is 1 hit away from 3,000. What a great story. Oh, I love these. But it's not numbered. Dang it. It's beautiful. Gerard Pique.
Yep, look at that. Look at that parallel action. Sorry, I'm a little behind on the camera, but
Lucas Fabianski.
A green and white wave parallel.
If they're not going to number them, could they put an insert card or print on the top inside of the box like what they look like, and it's this, like some sort of key or guide?
Yeah.
Olav Toivonen.
Or at least put it on the website, right? Like, isn't that what sell sheets should be? Here's what's in your packs. Who does this? Is this Scotty's product? We need to get him on the phone.
Sergio Romero. Juan Guillermo Cuadrado. Yeah, he is. Gregory Krychovac. Uh-huh. I won an auto. I got an auto.
Whoa!
Juan Guillermo Cuadrado.
Whoa! Numbered? Base?
I believe it's a base. It's not numbered. It's got a nice signature, though.
Yeah.
And Ahmed Musa.
What's his? How do you type his name?
Really? Juan Guillermo.
Juan Guillermo. From what country?
CUA Colombia. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll be able to find it from the interwebs.
Santiago Arias. And this is one we have a prism type we haven't seen.
Apparently, Google's been listening because I typed Juan GU and it filled in Juan Guillermo Cuadrado. So
Nice. Nice.
29 years old, so he's been around for a little while.
Scorers Club, Mesmet Ozil.
He's known for his direct style of play, including his pace as well as his dribbling skills.
New Era insert. All right, so what we're going to do, 2 winners. One gets the auto, one gets all the prisms and inserts.
Wow. That's fun.
Connections. Moso Diamble.
Do you think that we could still hit one of those case hit inserts even though there was an auto?
We could. Anything's possible. Scorers Club, Ahmed Musa from Nigeria. Fundamentals. Dimitri Pavit from France. Leroy Sané, number /99, purple. Leroy Sané. And last but not least, Abdallah Saeed.
I'm getting tweets saying that I've said enough about Otani tonight, and I'm like, thanks, Beans.
All right, so
I hear you loud and clear. I saw your comments
1, 2,
too.
3, 4, 5, 6,
And they're
7,
probably
8,
right.
9,
How can you
10,
not talk
11,
about
12,
Otani
13,
all night
14,
long?
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Someone gets that stack of 22 inserts and parallels.
Wow.
And someone gets that auto.